Bitcoin for beginners. So you've made the decision to learn more about the wonders of Bitcoin and how it functions, or perhaps how you might get your own. That's fantastic. I want to assure you that you are in the right place. When you look closely at Bitcoin, the story of how to make money nearly seems unbelievable. Even though it appears like science fiction, it's the most well-known type of digital currency now in circulation. I put together this comprehensive introduction to Bitcoin to help you understand what it is, what it does, and how to earn Bitcoins. History of Bitcoin. It is crucial to understand why Bitcoin was founded in the first place in order to fully comprehend what it is and the value it may add to our world. The first recognized cryptocurrency in the world, Bitcoin, was made available to the general public for the first time in 2009. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that may be used to exchange for products and is protected by cryptography, which uses challenging mathematical procedures. A mysterious individual, or perhaps a group of individuals going by the name of Satoshi Nakamoto, invented Bitcoin. The purpose of Bitcoin, according to Satoshi Nakamoto, is to build a brand new peer-to-peer electronic cash system that is totally decentralized and has no central authority, as stated in Bitcoin's white paper, an academic document that contains information about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin exactly? Since Bitcoin is a digital currency, there aren't any coins or bills to produce. It is decentralized because no one organization, be it a government, bank, or other, has control over it. There are no names, security numbers, social account numbers, or other means of identification that may be used to link Bitcoins to their owners, making the owners of those currencies anonymous. Blockchain technology and encryption keys are used by Bitcoin to link buyers and sellers. A Bitcoin is mined the same way that diamonds or gold are. How are Bitcoins mined? People, or more specifically, incredibly powerful energy-intensive computers, mine Bitcoin in order to create more of them. There are presently around 16 million Bitcoins in circulation, with just 5 million more available to mine because Bitcoin developers set a limit of 21 million. Finally, each Bitcoin can be broken down into smaller fractions, with the smallest fraction being 100 millionth of a Bitcoin, known as a Satoshi after its creator Satoshi Nakamoto. The mining process includes computers solving an incredibly difficult mathematical problem that becomes increasingly difficult over time. When a problem is resolved, one Bitcoin block is processed and the miner is rewarded with a new Bitcoin. A user creates a Bitcoin address to receive the Bitcoins they mine, which functions similarly to a virtual mailbox with a string of 27 to 34 digits and letters. Unlike a mailbox, it is not associated with the user's identity. What is the purpose of Bitcoin? There are various methods of earning Bitcoins besides mining. You can first accept Bitcoins as a form of payment for goods and services. It's just as easy to set up a Bitcoin wallet as a PayPal account, and it serves as a place for you to put your digital currency while storing, managing, and using it. Through a service provider like Coinbase, they are free and accessible. Even while it can take more time than it's worth, there are websites that will pay you in Bitcoins for doing particular activities. There are ways to lend your Bitcoins out and earn interest once you've earned them. Even trading can be used to earn Bitcoins, and just recently, Bitcoin futures were introduced as a valid asset class. Additionally, you can convert your local money for Bitcoins on exchanges, the biggest of which is Mt. Gox in Japan, which processes 70% of all Bitcoin transactions. More than 100,000 businesses, including Overstock.com, accept Bitcoin as payment for everything from pizza to gift cards. What are the risks? With Bitcoin, there's a risk as well as a tremendous opportunity. There are many advantages for all of us if you're willing to bear some risk and enter the Bitcoin market, even though it has been attractive to criminals due to its anonymity and lack of regulation. It may be challenging to rectify problems if Bitcoins are stolen or lost because there's no controlling organization. Mt. Gox went offline in 2014 and 850,000 Bitcoins were never found. A transaction is considered final once it appears on the blockchain. Due to the fact that Bitcoin is still a young technology, there are still a lot of unknowns and its value is extremely unstable and subject to daily fluctuations. Well, hope this video helped you to understand the basics of Bitcoin. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and let us know you love our videos. Thanks for watching.